how to rename your PC, your Windows PC in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to rename your PC in easy way. So first thing we do is we go to the Windows icon down below and then choose settings here, and after that you will have many options, but you have to choose the first one, which is system, and then you have to go down to about, and after that you will have the option of rename this PC. You can renaming it by clicking on it. And that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.